Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ApnaFUNDA Online. This is the first video on the topic of profit and loss. In the initial videos, we'll cover the basics of profit and loss. We'll look at the definitions, various formulas and applications of the same. And as we proceed in our upcoming videos, we'll start solving various questions on this topic. You can also solve along with me. Kindly subscribe to ApnaFUNDA Online to ensure that you don't miss a single video on this topic. If you have any query, doubts, or anything you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. In the description box, there are links to our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page. Click on those links and follow our page for daily updates. Before we begin our video on the topic of profit and loss, I want you to make sure that you have watched our videos on percentage. You will need to apply the concept of percentage in understanding and solving various profit and loss questions. In case if you have not watched our videos on percentage or you have missed, I'm sharing the playlist link of percentage videos in the description box. Kindly watch them first before you proceed. So let's begin the first video on profit and loss. In our videos on percentage, I said that percentage is everywhere. Similarly, profit and loss is also everywhere. In every business, every commercial transaction. It has application in maths, economics, accounts, taxation, etc. This topic will help you highlight that in every commercial transaction, is there a profit or is there a loss? The most important terms in this topic are profit and loss. But as we get there, to find out more about profit and loss, we'll understand some more terms like cost, cost price, mark price, sale, selling price, list price, discount, discount value, margin. Let's say you went to a shop to buy a guitar, and after some time you finalize the one you want to buy. The price tag on the guitar says rupees 15,000, and you realize it's out of your budget. But since you want it, you ask the shopkeeper for some discount. He offers you a discount of 15%. So mark price is 15,000. Discount given by the shopkeeper is 15%. So the discount value is 2,250 and selling price, which is mark price minus the discount you receive, is rupees 12,750. But let's say it's still out of your budget and you tell the shopkeeper that your budget is rupees 12,000. But the shopkeeper doesn't sell you at 12,000 because if he does so, he will make 4% loss on the whole. So if selling price is rupees 12,000, loss is equal to 4%. So what is the cost price of the guitar? What is the price at which the shopkeeper has bought the guitar? Cost price becomes 12,500. We'll get to know more about this as we solve such type of questions. This was just an example of how a commercial transaction happens in the real life market. Cost price. Cost price is the price at which the article is purchased or acquired by the buyer. The buyer can be anyone, a wholesaler, retailer, manufacturer, shopkeeper, etc. We denote cost price by CP. Overheads. Now, since we are learning about cost price, there is a term overheads which is in connection to cost price. What we mean by overheads is all other expenses related to purchasing or acquiring of a product is also included in the cost price. Such expenses are called overheads or overheads expenses. Example, the shopkeeper who bought the guitar, let's say he bought a guitar from some place and he had to hire a car, he had to go and he spent, let's say, 500 rupees additional on that. So that gets included in the cost price. Cost. There are three types of costs. One is fixed cost, a cost that is usually constant in nature and remains fixed for a longer period irrespective of units produced. Example, rent. Let's say rent of an office. No matter how much sales you're doing, no matter whatever you are producing, how much units you're producing, the rent remains the same. And even if you don't use it for production, let's say the factory is closed, still you will have to bear the rent. Next is the variable cost, a cost that varies as per the units produced. As input increases, output also increases. As sales increases, the variable cost also increases. Example, labor cost. Let's say in an ice cream factory during the summer season, since the production of ice cream is very high, there are more number of laborers. But as we approach the winter season, the demand for ice creams are less. So the production of ice creams are less. So whatever minimum quantity of units of ice cream are produced, are manufactured, you require not as high labors as you require in summer season. So this is a variable cost example. The third cost is a semi-variable cost, a cost that has both fixed and variable elements in different stages. A cost that remains fixed up to a certain level of production and changes with additional units produced. Example, internet bill. Let's say you have an internet plan on your phone which says that you pay 500 rupees for a 3 GB plan, and once you consume 3 GB you will be charged 100 rupees for additional 100 MB used. So such kind of costs are both fixed and both variable. Selling price, the price at which an article is sold by the buyer to the customer, the price at which we buy any product. It is denoted by SP. Now, if selling price is greater than cost price, or you say cost price is less than selling price, it's a profit. If selling price is less than cost price, or cost price is greater than selling price, it's a loss. If selling price is equal to cost price, or cost price is equal to selling price, it is a break even. Means no profit, no loss. Profit percent formula is profit by cost price into 100. And loss percent formula is loss by cost price into 100. Profit or loss percent is always calculated on cost price unless otherwise mentioned. I hope you note all these formulas and you are thorough with it. There are some more additional formulas that I want you to go through on selling price and cost price. First one, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Also, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into cost price. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price plus profit. Also, cost price is equal to selling price minus loss. Cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into selling price. Cost price is also equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. I end the video here. In our next video, we'll talk about the markup, marked price, and discounts. So do not forget to watch our next video on profit and loss. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you have any query, doubts, or anything you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. You can also follow us on social media platforms for daily updates from ApnaFUNDA Online. Ensure you don't miss a single video on this topic. So kindly subscribe to our channel ApnaFUNDA Online and press the bell icon. Stay tuned to ApnaFUNDA Online for more educational videos. Thank you.